Once upon a time, in the lush forest of whispering pines, there lived a cute bear named Barry. Barry was not an ordinary bear. He had a fluffy tail, tiny spectacles perched on his nose, and a curious nature that often got him into delightful adventures. One sunny morning, Barry decided to explore a part of the forest he had never seen before. As he meandered through the tall oaks and giggling streams, Barry stumbled upon a sparkling, mysterious cave. The entrance was adorned with glimmering stones that seemed to dance in the sunlight. Unable to resist the pull of the unknown, Barry tiptoed into the cave. Inside, he discovered a colorful world of shimmering crystals that cast dancing rainbows across the walls. Barry's eyes widened in wonder as he noticed the tiniest of creatures, the crystal fireflies, flitting about in harmony. The crystal fireflies were trapped behind a small pile of stones. Using his strong paws, Barry carefully moved the stones away, freeing the shiny little friends. Overjoyed, the crystal fireflies thanked Barry by swirling around him, creating a luminous crown of light atop his head. Feeling like a king, Barry pranced out of the cave, where his forest friends awaited him, having followed his shimmering trail back to the sunlight. There stood Olive the wise owl, who perched gracefully on a twig, Ruby the chatty squirrel, who was bouncing with excitement, and Max the gentle deer, who marveled at the glowing crown Barry wore. Together, they all laughed and celebrated Barry's new adventure, and the crystal fireflies decided to follow Barry out of the cave to join in the festivities. Barry's caring and bravery had given him a magical adventure and new friends. From that day on, Barry the brave bear and his sparkly companions lit up the forest paths with their enchanting glow, reminding all of Whispering Pines that curiosity and kindness often lead to the most magical journeys. And so, every night, Barry nestled in his cozy tree hollow, a happy bear surrounded by friends, dreaming of his next adventure.